Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about Questrade's availability outside of Canada. Questrade is a Canadian-based online brokerage, and its services are primarily designed for Canadian residents. In most cases, to open a standard self-directed investing account, you must have a Canadian address. However, there can be exceptions for Canadian citizens who are living abroad. Questrade does have specific offerings for trading in global markets, such as its Questrade Global platform, which allows for trading in currencies and CFDs on international exchanges. While Questrade offers access to US and Canadian markets, and even some international equities, the ability to open a full account as a non-resident is generally limited. If you are a non-resident of Canada, it is important to check with Questrade directly to see if you are eligible to open an account and what specific limitations or requirements may apply to your situation, including potential tax implications. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.